It's not just on a budget side. It is very, very effective.
Like
If
if
you
you
use
use this within 2 weeks, people are going to notice. 3 weeks, people are going to start asking.
what is all this radiance about? Hey stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing one of my all-time favorites. I've used more than 4 boxes of this skincare kit. Just in case you're on a budget, you don't have money to buy moisturizer, buy sunscreen, buy all these things individually. This kit is good. It's very, very perfect because in this kit it has moisturizer, sunscreen, and it has your basic skincare routine both for PM and for AM. This one is very good because it's on a budget. It is less than 25,000 naira. Here this is going to save your life. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you a lot of time as well. Looking for different moisturizers, different serum, different sunscreen. Why not just get this is collagen, so it's very good for you. I can tell because I have used more than 4 boxes of these four in the last 2 years. So that is how good this is. This is a game changer. This skincare kit is not just affordable, it's not just on a budget side. It is very, very effective. If you use this within 2 weeks, your face will start to glow and people will start to ask you what is all this radiance about. This is my official review for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this kit. Once you open the kit, this is what you are going to see. Here is what the kit looks like inside. As you can see, you have face soap, face to cleanse your face, the serum. And this serum on its own is very pricey. It goes for about 3,000 sepa. There's eye cream, the first cream, like a moisturizer, sunscreen. So this plus this at night, or this plus this plus this plus this plus this during the day. It's currently 10 p.m. and I'm about to do in my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm going to be showing you how I use this for my PM skincare routine. And this soap smells amazing. The soap is just so gentle. It does not irritate the skin. It's so gentle. So even if you have sensitive skin, I remember when I suffered a major skin barrier, this kit was one of the things that saved me then. Do you see how glowy it just makes my under eye? This kit is so beautiful. Moisturizer slash face cream is so good. It's really, really, really good. So that's it about this Disaar collagen. If you ask me, I recommend it 1000 over 100 because it's just that good. It's really just that good. It's so good. It glows you from within. The way this collagen set is going to glow. Yeah, it's going to cause you to glow from inside out. Like if you use this within 2 weeks, people are going to notice. 3 weeks, people are going to start asking you, what is the cause of all this glow? Like, what is this glow for? Where is this glow coming from?